Hello my people. I know say my matter no go tire you. That one dey sure. I know say my matter no go tire you because you know say as street gist, as street parrot person, I go enter street, do the aproko for you, bring the gist for you, give you the details. You go like am now, you know now. Yes, this is Afrikedge TV. As you know, today we are on street gist. Yes, and my name be Ifeoluwa Oloruntoba, wey people dey call Ife the street parrot. Yes, today on street parrot na celebrity street I wan enter. But before I enter the koko of today, let me waka go Don Jazzy side, greet him on his mama burial party. But my prayer be say you go grow old wella than your mama. Yes, today's gist, like I said, na on top of celebrity wey at ten d the burial party. Yes, so like we all know say the clothes na free of charge. Na one person I see for the event o. Na one person I see. I sight the person. I come see say this person na special person with special pattern, with special brand. Na Pretty Mike wey enter the party I wan talk about o. Na him I see something attached to the body. My people abeg chill, just cool down. I go gist you. I go give you the full gist. Pretty Mike wey dem born on 28th of October 1987, wey the real name na Mike Ezenwalia Nwoga from Imo State. Abeg no vex say if I no pronounce the name very well, abeg no vex. No vex. Mike Ezenwalia Nwoga from Imo State, Nigeria, wey grow for Lagos State. He be entertainer, brand influencer, brand ambassador, entrepreneur, co-owner of Club Uno. The guy na even an actor. The thing plenty, but I no go deep. This guy attend Don Jazzy mama burial party. He come carry 6 ladies wey wear something wey I wan talk about today. But before I enter that one, the guy has 6 baby mamas and he come talk say he never marry. So let me gist you. Pretty Mike attended Don Jazzy mama's burial with 6 ladies, and those ladies wear long penis pants. My people, I know say you people know the meaning now. You know, you see the video of the long penis pants that the ladies put on. Imagine. What is your view? Abeg, I need your view on this. Omo, this thing looks surprise to me. Going to a party, burial party for that matter, with 6 ladies we can wear long penis pants to a burial party. Is this right or wrong? Abeg, no forget to subscribe, follow all our social media handles for better gist, for news, for entertainment. You know now, we entertain, we inform, we educate. We are ready to give you the full gist. Abeg, wait, sit down. I still dey come back.